today we'll be looking at a very detailed information on asylum. Asylum in Canada, an overview. Asylum is a form of protection granted to individuals who are fleeing persecution, war, or natural disasters in their home countries. Canada recognizes its obligation to provide refuge to those who are in need of protection and has established a thorough process for asylum seekers. 1. Definition. Asylum in Canada is a legal protection for individuals who are unable to return to their home country due to a well-founded fear of persecution or risk of harm. This can arise from various factors including political, social, or religious beliefs. 2. Refugee Protection Division (RPD). The Refugee Protection Division (RPD) is a specialized branch of the Immigration and Refugee Board (IRB) of Canada. It is responsible for making decisions on asylum claims and determining whether individuals meet the criteria for refugee protection. Asylum process. The asylum process in Canada involves several key steps. Step 1. Claim submission. The asylum seeker claimant submits an application for asylum known as the Initial Application (IMM 7743) to the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC). Along with the initial application, the claimant must complete the Basis of Claim Form (IMM 7744), outlining the reasons for seeking asylum and the circumstances that led to their claim. 2. RPD hearing. After the application is submitted, the case is referred to the RPD for a hearing. This is a crucial step where the claimant has the opportunity to present their case and provide evidence supporting their claim. During the hearing, a member of the RPD will ask questions to assess the credibility of the claimant's story and the risk they face if returned to their home country. 3. Decision. The RPD will issue a decision after the hearing. Decision 1. Accepted. If the claim is accepted, the individual is granted protected person status, which allows them to remain in Canada and access certain rights and services. Or decision 2. Rejected. If the claim is rejected, if the claim is rejected, the individual may face removal from Canada, although they may have options to appeal or seek judicial review. Now, moving on to the types of asylum claims. There are two main types of asylum claims that can be made under the asylum process in Canada. 1. Convention refugee. Individuals who fear persecution based on specific grounds, including race. Those are the individuals targeted due to their ethnic background or religion. Individuals targeted due to the persecution for religious beliefs or practices. Nationality. That is the discrimination based on national origin. Political opinion. Individuals who face persecution for their political beliefs or activities. Membership in a particular social group. This can include various groups defined by shared characteristics. 2. Person in need of protection (PINP). Individuals who may not fit the definition of a convention refugee but face other serious risks such as torture, a credible risk of being tortured upon return, cruel or unusual treatment, risk of inhuman treatment or punishment. Then punishment, facing severe punishment that contravenes human rights. Now, eligibility criteria. To be eligible for asylum claim in Canada, applicants must meet specific criteria. 1. Location. The claimants must be outside their country of nationality or habitual residence. 2. Risk assessment. The individual must demonstrate that they are unable to return due to a fear of persecution or a significant risk to their safety and well-being. Asylum application process. The asylum application process consists of the following steps. Step 1. Initial application. Submit the initial application IMM 7743 to begin the process. Step 2. Basis of claim form. Complete and submit the Basis of Claim Form (IMM 7744) detailing the reasons for supporting asylum. Step 3. Supporting documents. Provide any supporting documents that corroborate the claims made in the application, such as personal statement, witness statement, medical records, and country condition reports. Moving on to the RPD hearing. During the RPD hearing, the following occurs. 1. Presentation of case. The claimant presents their case, explaining the reasons for their asylum application. 2. Questioning. The RPD member will ask questions to clarify details and assess the credibility of the claims made by the claimant. Moving on to the decision outcomes. The RPD will make a decision based on the information presented. Decision 1 accepted. If the claim is accepted, the claimant is granted protected person status. Decision 2 rejected. If the claim is rejected, the individual's